Plastic is the plastic pollution. Plastic pollution is the accumulation of plastic objects and particles. Example: plastic bottles, bags, and microbeads in the Earth's environment that adversely affects humans, wildlife, and their human wildlife and their habitat. Plastic that act as pollutants are categorized by size into micro, meso, or macro derbies. Plastics are inexpensive and durable, making them very adaptable for different uses. As a result, manufacturers choose to use plastic over other materials. However, the chemical structure of most plastics renders them resistant to many natural processes of degradation, and as a result they are slow to degrade. Together these two factors allow large volume of plastic to enter the environment as mismanaged waste, which persists in the ecosystem and travels plastic and throughout the food webs. Olive Ridley sea turtle enlarged in a ghost net in the Maldives. Plastic pollution of Sharm Naga beach near Safaga, Egypt. Piles of plastic waste on the government authorized garbage island of Maldives. Plastic pollution Plastic pollution can afflict land, waterways, and oceans. It is estimated that 1.1 to 8.8 million tons of plastic waste enters the ocean from coastal communication each year. It is estimated that there is a stock of 86 million of of plastic marine debris in the worldwide ocean as the end of 2030 with an assumption that 1.4% of global plastics produced from 1950 to 2030 has entered the ocean and has accumulated there. Global plastic pollution has surged from 1.5 million tons in the 1950 seconds to 335 million tons in 2060, resulting in environmental concerns. A significant issue arises from the inefficient treatment of 79% of plastic products, leading to their release into landfills or natural environments. Some researchers suggest that by 2050 there could be more plastic than fish in the oceans by weight. Living organisms, particularly marine animals, can be harmed either by mechanical effects such as entanglement in plastic objects, problem related to ingestion of plastic waste, or through exposure to chemicals within plastic that interfere with their physiology. Degraded plastic waste can directly affect humans through direct consumption, that is, in tap water, indirect consumption by eating plants and animals, and disruption of various hormonal mechanisms. As of 2019, 368 million tons of plastic is produced each year, 51% in Asia, where China is the world's largest producer. From the 1950s up to 2018, an estimated 6.3 billion tons of plastic has been produced worldwide, of which an estimated 9% has been recycled and another 12% has been incinerated. This large amount of plastic waste enters the environment and causes problems throughout the ecosystem. For example, studies suggest that the bodies of 90% of seabirds contain plastic debris. In some areas, there have been significant efforts to reduce the prominence of free-range plastic pollution through reducing plastic consumption, little cleanup and promoting plastic recycling. As of 2020, the global mass of produced plastic exceeds the biomass of all land and marine animals combined. In May 2019, Amendment to the Basel Convention regulates the importation of plastic waste, largely intended to prevent the shipping of plastic waste from developed countries to developing countries. Nearly all countries have joined this agreement. On 2 March 2022 in Nairobi, 175 countries pledged to create a legally binding agreement by the end of the year 2024 with a goal to end plastic pollution. Thank you.